This topic is solving trig equations from a graph, starting on page 256 in the IVSL textbook. There are some pieces on page 256 that you should check out. We're going to solve equations today with graphs. You can also use technology like a graphing calculator. And then on other lessons, we can use algebra to solve trig equations. So here's an example where we have a function, the cosine of x equals 0.4 is what we want to find. And they graphed out the traditional parent function for the cosine of x. And they ask us to find out when do we get 0.4 on this graph. So this graph right now, remember we graphed this, has our amplitude, and then our period is 2 pi, which is about 6.28, 1 revolution. We're focusing on from 0, so here's our x of 0, to 10 on the x-axis. When do we get 0.4? So we're going to go up to, this is what we call decimal paper. So we have 1, and we have to split this up. This would be 0.4. And we're going to just go across and create a horizontal line right there. Now, wherever it touches on this circle, on this, curve, it touches right here, it touches right there, and it touches right here. Those are going to be solutions when the cosine of x equals 0.4. So now you scroll down, and you get x to be approximately 1.2 radians. Scroll down, looks like about 5.1 radians. And then we scroll down here. It's kind of hard to read with a smart board, but it looks like about 7.5 radians. So what they've done, a little nicer job in the textbook. They had 1.2, 5.1, and 7.4. They created that horizontal line really nicely. There's the first value. Here's that second value. And then here's that third value, the 3 points, when the y equals 4.4. There will be some problems in the textbook on page 257 for exercise 11A1 on sine, cosines, and tangents.